Hello, Chuck Bagwell here. How are you? Getting ready to do some testing on the Mini-ductor today. It's 12/3/2016, December 3rd. We're getting set up here, have a little test tube. And this digital piece right here is measuring the test tube, will be measuring the test tube temperature as I put the thermocouple in there, and then we have one from the computer that's going in there as well. And the idea is going to be to measure the power, which is this little device over here, and see how many watts it's pulling, and then look at the amp flow in the kVA of the device. So I'm going to bring it on for 1 minute. Get ready for my stopwatch. I'm going to do a 1 minute. Here's the start button. I've got a relay, a power supply. This is the Mini-ductor, and we're going to run it for 1 minute. And I've got computer monitoring this thermocouple here. So here comes a 1 minute run. We'll see basically where does this temperature get to. So here we go. And here's the water. This is just plain well water. 68. It's pulling 261 watts at 120 volts and about 1.7 amps. Temperature's starting to come up. So we're going to do this for a minute and see what the temperature gets to. We got to start. And there's about a minute. Got to 80.2 degrees. This is kind of warm. These aren't too bad. I didn't get an amp check yet here, but we will do that on the next one. So we get to about 81 degrees, 82 degrees in about a minute. Next test is going to be with a knife, 430 stainless steel knife in there. Put a stainless steel knife down in here, and I think it's 430. And now we're going to start up the stopwatch for a minute. Let's see what's going. Look at that temperature back there on the top there. This is with the knife. Oh, we're starting to boil already. We're boiling at 25 seconds. The temperature in the back is 169. Look at this. Boy, this is fast. Look at the boiling. Wow. Temperature back there, and we're 453 watts. The alarm is going to, let's see where we at. Coming up on 55 seconds. Alright. Yeah, the alarm came in at 2:12. Let me get that thermocouple out of here. Okay, alarm cleared. Wow, I'm impressed. This knife, ooh, this knife is not too bad up here, not too bad, but ooh, real hot right there. And this is not too bad here. I can touch this, but this, ooh, that stainless steel, 430 stainless steel knife really puts some energy in that water. Okay, now we're gonna take a look at the, we've got this set up for kilowatts and power factor. And we're going to push the button, and this is with one knife. And there's the temperatures there, and here we go. 35 kilowatts, 35.77 kilowatts. Let's look at kVA. Time to knock off here. Now we're back down to I melted my clamp on. Got really hot. I'm going to run one more test, and we're going to take a look at the amps flowing in this wire. Okay, let's take a look. This is amps. I'm going to clamp it around here. System's off. Turn on. Look at the 703.3 amps. Oops. So we have one reading to get yet. Volts and frequency of the coil. And we have 42 volts, 42.1 volts, and the frequency is varying between 2,000 and 9,000 hertz. So that's the last reading we need to get. Got some good boiling going on there in about 15 seconds. Going to set off the alarm here. It's really nice. And a graph of the 3 tests. Here's the test with just plain water. Here's the test with the knife, and then we let it, and here's the second test with a knife when we were getting the amp readings, and looking good.